Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to look at clearing the Cannot Detect error on your Brother MFC-J497DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Genuine Brother ink cartridges contain a chip that communicates the color, ink volume, and model of the cartridge to your printer. The Cannot Detect error appears when the machine cannot detect that the correct cartridge has been installed. Please note that Cannot Detect ink volume is a separate error and is not covered in this tutorial. If your machine displays the Cannot Detect ink volume error, follow the link in the description for the appropriate troubleshooting procedure. To begin, examine your machine's display to determine which one or more cartridges are causing the error. Then open the ink cartridge cover. Release the corresponding ink cartridges by pressing the lock release levers. Remove the cartridges and verify that they display a genuine Brother Innobella logo on each label. Next, verify that a green identification chip is mounted to the top of the ink cartridge. If the cartridge you're using displays the wrong model number or is missing the green chip, you'll need to replace it with a genuine Brother cartridge of the correct part number. Refilled or non-Brother ink cartridges may not be correctly detected by your machine. We strongly recommend that you use only genuine Brother supplies. Using non-Brother ink and cartridges can affect print quality as well as the performance and reliability of your Brother machine. Now place the cartridge on a clean flat surface, with the ink sensor window facing up as shown. Placing scrap paper under your ink cartridges is recommended. Look through the ink sensor window and observe the position of the black ink sensor flag. If the flag is positioned on the left side of the window, it means that the cartridge has reached the end of its life and needs to be replaced. If the flag is positioned anywhere from the middle to the right side of the window, the cartridge contains sufficient ink to be detected by your machine. With the cartridges still removed, close the ink cartridge cover and unplug the power cord from the wall for 15 seconds. Then plug the cord back in. Once the machine restarts, the no ink cartridge error will be displayed. Open the ink cartridge cover and install the missing cartridges slowly and firmly until they lock into place. If more than one cartridge has been removed, install them in the order listed on the display. Now close the ink cartridge cover. If the error message clears, then your troubleshooting is complete. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at brother-usa.com.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.